Hello creatives, welcome. In this video, I am going to share with you softwares and programs that you should invest in as a creative designer. First thing is the Adobe Creative Cloud Suite. If you're a designer, you're definitely going to need to invest in this. With this, you get access to Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, InDesign, XD. Plus, if you edit videos, you also get access to Premiere Pro and Adobe After Effects. And a quick tip, if you're looking for templates to use in your designs, make sure you check out Envato Elements. They have thousands, and I mean thousands, of templates for you to choose from. Next up is Canva Pro. This one has been one of the most surprising investments I've made in the past few years. This is perfect for non-designers, but also great for designers as well. I use Canva to create quick designs for my IG reel covers, my planners, and other Instagram related posts. I also use Canva with my clients. So I will design the templates within Adobe Illustrator and transfer them over to Canva. This way the client can edit, change the colors when they need to instead of always having to come back to me for change it. It makes it easier for me and the client. And the items are SVG files, so the client can easily change the colors for all of the elements that we have used within that said design. I'm going to step away from the design aspect and move into building a community, and this is where a mailing list software comes into play. It's always good to build an audience outside of social media, and having a mailing list is a great way to do so. Sites such as MailChimp and MailerLite are good options for you to choose from if you're just starting off. Another tip, offer an incentive to get people to sign up to your mailing list. Having a great project management software within your business is great to stay on top of your daily tasks. ClickUp and Notion are two of the most popular ones, and they're also two of my favorites to work with. You'll obviously select the one that best suits your needs. For me personally, I use ClickUp at my full-time job, so I use it to manage the company's tasks, events, and projects. And I use Notion for my online brand. Now, I'm more into the digital planning lately, so my daily to-dos are done on my daily planner, but I also use Notion to store information related to my business. And finally, if you're taking on clients, a good client management software is important. You'll need to have an organized, automated, and safe way in place so your clients can share information with you and payment as well. You can use Dubsado or Honeybook. I personally prefer to use Honeybook just because of how simple it is to implement within my business. And that is just some of the programs and softwares that I recommend that you invest in for your online creative business. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.